have to be so cute. It's impossible to ignore you. I missed you, make me laugh so much.
100% catch you, like, I'm reporting you to lettuce for sure.
You're gonna report me to lettuce?
Yeah, I'm ready to tell everything. I'm Deputy Ace, he's my best friend.
Fake faces hiding everywhere. Made up, made up stairs to hide this stone in it. You're not too close, don't you dare. Stupid seems dirty in the air. In my air, everywhere. Blame this, I'll shed it through the glare. Make it, take it, they won't share. I can't fake it, I'll just make it on my own. I can't blame them, I'll just make them on my throne. I can't fake it, I'll just make it on my own. I can't blame them, I've just got to get to my throne. I'm in the latest colors, I sing the new songs. I read all the lyrics so I can sing along. I am the latest colors, I stand above my throne, waiting for an invite to never come along. I am the latest colors, I sing the new songs. I read all the lyrics so I can sing along.
Leafy's joined the Mafia to sacrifice himself and buy us more time. Leafy's joined the Mafia.
What a great.
No, I'm not, bro. I'm not.
How recently?
Yo! Wait, whoa! Free iron, he made a full set of armor.
So, Parrot, it's time for you to decide some stuff. Come on, Parrot, you've had multiple best friends. I'm still surprised that Theo is still alive, though. Hey, I'm not dying anytime soon because I'm too goated for that. Yeah, right. Go back to your books. Not my fault you all text 24/7. Anyways, Birdie, which bird, bro? You, who else? Are you actually saying that Parrot is the biggest bird? Shut the fuck up. None of you two are actually the biggest. Because I am. I beg you please stop using emojis. But they're cool. Can we just get to the point? Parrot, I'm legitimately sick of being your best friend, just because you have to get over Weefies. I'm already over the death of him. What are you talking about? I might be the one who got this idea into Theo's head now. Spoke, this is one of the many reasons you're always captured, in jail, forgotten by us, considered as a villain. I'm saying, I know you care deeply about people. You should just forget about him. You're the one who's bringing Weefies up. And don't get me started on Wembu and Spoke. Why do I always have to do with something? How are you asking that question? Shut the fuck up, failed king. Anyways, meanwhile. Come on, smile, Parrot. You're safe with them. You don't really need me after all. Isn't that right? Weefies. So, Parrot, anything to say about this? Eggchin, put some music. Ben. And just like that, the old players crowned Saparata the second king of the unstable SMP. Having lost my army, the location of Theo and Reina, and also being banished from my kingdom, coming back from this seemed practically impossible. But someday, somehow, I'm gonna take my kingdom back.
Drifting from my innocence, I wanna be a kid again.
All I hear are screams. Every time I dare to close my eyes, I no longer dream. Only nightmares of those who died. Nothing's what it seems. And here in the underworld, the past seems close behind. It's like the guilt is mine. Will somebody call the monster? 558 men who died under the command. Captain, 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 why would you let the Cyclops live when ruthlessness is passing? All I hear are screams.
You aided for it. And now look at you, standing here, letting your civilians starve, and making the hard decisions.
I'm okay.
All right, go.
What?
Wait, that doesn't look like water.
You don't understand. If I were to kill your closest friends, maybe you'd understand how I felt right now. If I were to kill your closest friends, maybe you'd understand how I felt right now.
Day 4, I made a friend today named Coin Monkey. When I got back to my house, Coin Monkey was actually here. I offered him some food or just a place to stay, but it seemed like he wanted something else. I want to trust him. I really do. I'm just afraid that he has also been corrupted by something that I'll never understand. He was just different from the first time I met him. I guess that's what over 100 days here will do to you. Wait, no. I'm worried about this. Forget about this guy. I'll be staying out of the alright. What do you have for me? This is all like a clown. It's happening. This is one more. This is how he keeps his heat. One more algae. No. Get out of the way. No. Yes. No. What are you doing? Because nobody. You're tired, bro. I can't do this. And it's just like we're not here. What do you mean? I can't do it. I'm not doing it. You're useless. That's what you're doing. You're fine. Yo. You gotta get out of here. About it, cover it all up with lies. I try to laugh about it, hiding my tears in my eyes. Cause boys don't cry. Boys don't cry. Don't get me wrong, parents, like, we're really close friends. You just killed my best friend. Thank you, Leah. Thank you. Doesn't understand what big boys do. He wakes up in the middle of the night. I run in and turn on the light. Rub my hands to his short black hair. I love you, baby, I don't care. This life is amazing when you greet it with open arms. I see in your face there's so much guilt inside your heart. So I never place it and light up the world. Here's how to start. Greet the world with open arms. Greet the world with open arms. Greet the world with open arms. You can relax, my friend.
Just bag your lies, play our little game, play our little game.
know what I've realized? I'm not smarter than you. I'm not. This prison, the only reason it's perfect is because of that exact reason. But you know the one difference between us? It's that I never lost hope in you. Every single day, for the past 3 weeks that I was inside of this prison, I thought that at some point, maybe, you'd snap out of it. And you realize that what you did was wrong and you let us both out. I don't want to do this. I really don't. I don't. Where did you get that? I tracked your entire inventory pair. How did you get that? Remember when I threw it off the top of the prison? Why would I ever want your stupid spyglass? I went back to pick it up after I tried to kill you. It's all yours.
Goodbye, Papa, please pray for me. I was the black sheep of the family. You tried to teach me right from wrong.
Johnny was dead, but he wasn't. That still body back in the hospital wasn't Johnny. Johnny was somewhere else. Maybe asleep in the lot, or playing the pinball machine in the bowling alley, or sitting on the back steps of the church in Windricksville. I'd go home and walk by the lot, and Johnny would be sitting on the curb smoking a cigarette. And maybe we'd lie on our backs and watch the stars. He isn't dead, I said to myself. He isn't dead. And this time my dreaming worked. I convinced myself that he wasn't dead. Alright, I'm going for the kill, bro. Okay, go. Okay, I don't know which one we hold out. Wait, what? No, I'm the kid. It's really, aesthetically pleasing. Dude, get out of my face, man.
All of these hoes got problems. All of them got deep-rooted issues. Jill stupid as f***, Mariah damn crazy, Quad emotionally unstable, Simone got some damn deep-rooted damn childhood issues or something, and Toya don't give a f***. I don't know if it's a pill for that.
Bro, cut to the point. What are you saying, bro? What are you saying? I'm the reason why the Mafia has found us every single time. I have no choice. I don't know what you would do. Are we scared? Be ourselves. I trust you.
Me gusta la canela, me gustas tú. Me gusta el fuego, me gustas tú. Me gusta menear, me gustas tú. Me gusta la coruña, me gustas tú. Me gusta la lasaña, me gustas tú. cared so much, then why did he betray me? I'm gonna die here for just one, please. I won't be alive to see it, but I know one day you'll make a great king. I promise that as king, you'll be free. I will eliminate all threats that stand to oppose your freedom. Throughout my days on the server, I watched civilizations of peaceful players be destroyed because of people who wanted to take away their freedom.
Everybody throw your stuff out in the center. Give it all to Luigi.
No,
Give that-
come on, no, come on.
No. Do not give that to the Dude, I cannot hear Jack Diddley, bro.
Yeah.
Peacefully. This empire could be something greater. A safe haven for any player. I'd rather die fighting than just live sitting here waiting for the fight to come to us. Does that mean you killed Mademoiselle? I didn't kill him, the assassins did. It's just that I may have been the one who hired the assassins. I knew that Mademoiselle would be the only one to fight back. Now, as things have continued, I have noticed that tension between us has probably gone a bit tight between candidates. What is happening? What is going on? I won't be long to see it, but I know one day you'll make a great king. Off his head. And let it be known that if anyone tries anything like that, to any of you, to anyone in law, then I'm not afraid to do this again. This is merely an example of how we will stop these criminals across our server with swift and certain justice. Thank you. You've all been wonderful.
After the debate, do you want to like meet back up here again?
Yes, yes, of course. I'd love to do that.
Now, Spectacle, I'm gonna need your armor.
It was literally me. It was genuinely.
It's okay, Parrot. I've decided to do this.
Of killing one of our own lawmen.
To rule the server. That's why it's my duty to help you get there.
Off with his head.
Parrot, I'm the owl.
Not really. Okay, here, take my pickaxe. I'd rather die standing than live kneeling. Pete, run. Make it out. You'll be a great kid. Go, Harry, go. This isn't happening right now. Ace, you're gonna die here. I'd rather die standing than live kneeling. You'll be a great kid. Go here, go. This isn't happening right now. I'd rather die standing than live kneeling. Is it too much to ask?
Beautiful, powerful, dangerous, cold. Ice has a magic can't be controlled. Stronger than 1, stronger than 10, stronger than 100 men. Born of cold and winter air and mountain rain combining. This icy force both foul and fair has a frozen heart worth finding. Cut to the heart, cold and clear. Strike for love and strike for fear. There's beauty and there's danger here. Split the ice apart. Beware the frozen heart.
I told you. You should have kept this between the two of us.